Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to Telnyx. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in Telnyx, send messages to customers who are interested in your offer. Each time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Telnyx as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select the action, Send SMS. At this stage, you need to connect your Telnyx account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify your API key. In order to receive it, go to your personal Telnyx account. Next, go to the API keys section. If you have not created API keys before, click Create API Key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM that will be transferred to the Telnyx system. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Telnyx. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telnyx. Go to your personal account and check the result. To see the history of sending messages, go to the Reporting section. In this section, you must specify the report type that you want to view. Also indicate the date. Next, click Request Detail Report. Next, you need to download report and open it. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.